Let me ask you a serious question. When you find a winning product for your Amazon US business, are you 100% sure about your exact profit margin? Or are you just guessing and hoping that Amazon's hidden fees won't eat your ROI? If you are tired of doing manual math and losing money to unexpected prep center or FBA fees, you are in the exact right place. Welcome to SellerServiceWorld. Most sellers rely on basic online calculators. But here is the problem. Those calculators are generic. They don't easily factor in the reality of your business, like extra prep center costs, custom labeling, or bubble wrap fees. You spend hours doing manual data entry on spreadsheets, and one small mistake can turn a profitable product into a massive loss. In the Pro League, time is money, and accuracy is survival. That is exactly why we built SellerServiceWorld US Pro 5 3.7. This isn't just a calculator. It is a strategic radar designed specifically for Amazon US sellers doing FBA, FBM, or retail arbitrage. Our smart dashboard allows you to input your exact product costs, auto-sum your FBA fees with your extra prep expenses, and set your exact profit targets. In one click, it gives you your penny-perfect listing price, net profit, and ROI. But we know that in this business, your product research is your most valuable asset. The last thing you want is a cloud-based software tracking what you are calculating. That is why our software operates 100% offline. After a simple, one-time lifetime license activation, the software runs securely on your local Windows PC. No tracking, no cloud data leaks, just military-grade privacy for your winning products. Now let me share the magic secret that is saving our users hours of work every single week. We call it the smoke gun multi-record exporter. Every time you calculate a product, it saves to your history board. Want to build a 100-product playbook? Just calculate your batch, and with one single click, export highly detailed, client-ready reports directly into Microsoft Word or pre-formatted Excel sheets. Stop typing. Start exporting. If you are selling in the US, the Pro V 3.7 software is ready for you right now. But what if you sell in Europe? Make sure you hit subscribe and follow this channel closely. We are actively developing exclusive, highly specialized smart tools tailored specifically for the UK, Germany, and wider EU marketplaces. And very soon, we will be expanding beyond Amazon to help you dominate other major global e-commerce platforms. It is time to stop guessing and start scaling like a professional. Check the link in the description below to grab your lifetime license for the US Pro 5 3.7 software today. For agency scaling, team packs, or business inquiries, reach out to our secure support at SellerServiceWorld@proton.me. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and welcome to the Pro League.